We are not treating them fairly at all.
The Kumasi.
Yes. Do you know the first time you make his promise of the National Theatre? John Mahama and make promise in 2013. One can say promise or see secure loan from Turkish Exim Bank to build the theatre in Kumasi 2013.
So what happened?
Mama Akwaba, or friend me, Adjoa searching. Ebusian for Mr. And no first time about the Esha Memestro and was subscribing. Me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusian for creative act industry no and they Omo ete United Showbiz esu. Na asantifuna omo wom no mo etrese His Excellency John Dramani Mahama disappoint omo big time. Omo etrese His Excellency John Dramani Mahama promise eye Ashanti region Kumasi National Theatre because Ghana say ye kasi ni twa kuma woodfo eje omo na so papa. Gollywood o se hia for one wo ye na wo do ani akire mo Nigeria ye kasi ni twa Kumasi enanka SSN National Theatre no musibi wo NPP ba ho NDC ba ho na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Yobia from 2016 and the National Theatre scene na abusuafo ntumi for fele
Amampani John Dramani Mahama ye de enim sene wo pe creative na asem o ma aban mu no nanu ya na wo fi ana wo position no ne enim se wo boa aye creative people ni bi ana o mo
Oda so aboa kro ma oda so ama mu sika
enti e kire me se won crofo no they are failing you Anyama apaso omo yema creatives no the people are not doing your minister is not doing and nyama work at em nyina your promises nkwa aden
na make asem we say the highest disrespect Ghana for benya every NDC party no when say NDC be mount a platform e 2028 on the campaign actually in Ghana for the highest disrespect Ghana for benya because only His Excellency John Dramani Mahama disappointed Ghanaians from 2012 to 2016, from 2016 up to 2024. What's Answaba? Echo 2027, 28. Nothing. His Excellency Kaye Bibina Fajiwudin. Ubayi from Accra to Kumasi Road. Nipe was in Paketwa. Also, Chamidi and Fisa were generate sika every go demand Magana. Nensu ye hushe. Cocoa farmers isu. Gari omo chigari mposu. Omo donya ade se cashew. Cocoa farmers nurses teachers will be esu. Ina membu beni. His Excellency. Na kuma would for no me enya mo National Theatre binti na mope. Eye sika ena na mope. Mese NDC party the moment how be wa so okodi actually disiga nko a. Christian Awuni eye ni baby bebrebe kotena TV so se na free SHS faso ni so. Mami penu kodi na tan was mu ade. Free SHS na nyema MPP be ye ne faso ni so ade yema na John Dramani Mahama bra. And they're more complaining. You've not seen anything yet. Now, those people complaining, no, they are the same people who knew His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na member from 2012 to 2016. No. Doom say collapsing microphone, your mabusi and phone, I mean, no case, doom so na didn't the Cocacha as I in Minka. John Dramani Mahama did doom so be collapse Ghana. Wabala region so kakranso and suno. Just so years to Ghana, and Rami Cocaso could didra. Na kaswa MP na call you so one dem yes or na cause ya west or ya one term MP na kaswa for million DC for no much as 2028 na mo fa mo ballot boss nkoso no de be fa mo ni so mo
na ebe wie no ana ono asan expose no Ozumemba, don't play with the SKB. Don't joke with me. If you joke with me, I go massacre you. Don't play with me, oh. Me now the media grown. Me. Yeah. What the coffee dia grow? What the me SKA dia grow? Inti na wa gbe yan say obobo sa video no. Abet na hwa kwa suma wo. Wo na wo si nkrofo pe wakun. Ana wo na wo si MPP fo pe so mu kun tutwen. Inti they say evidence be na wo pe. Na so obi trete live so obekun a court na so de ko. It is a MPP for attractive zombekun. And now I'm not BB de say they no mu ye na ayokum dia. The only thing you can do is say, Odo court. Just simple understand. Simple. Cause you some fan court. Name we need the say. Fa ujimi ko. Ono suka ma mingo tie no. Ba akwebe kasimbu aji so. member asem na esre to the stand say watimi atwe nyankopon hata soro yanim atena ayi even say you can say na so dem wa ko show editing video aw kwasi wusu na hwan na kire wo saa akwasi hwan ya opo bi edin na diagro ne ntimi anya nyansani bia wanye ba bia ade bia ntimi anya akogu ho anima se poto hwan na ma wo saa adwen hwan ya na enne no saa kwase so akwa gimi phone ntino ebedire mi time pa wo se de me pese me ye wo ne no na before say manfo be hu say wo ye gimi phone na say bia wagimi no na eno me bra say because me nim da say wutimi kwotena se wa na wo si MPP for epi waku e ba ne say na fe wutimi san kwotena se me san koye editing for what reason be show say be ya obi a wo si MPP for na plan na MPP for obuofu MPP for say MPP for your madwen so mbeku ato atwene entinyame ya dom na sakwanya beda ho na apese wo ye hu bibi dia e de na betena se be yi video ma ye hu say de wo ka no evidence nie ana de wo ka no say na apese wo kire ana evidence no so wo so be yi no ukoyi ya sa editing awda sem kese pa okoyi a afa de editing ana waye oh shit editing bia uja faye no se uhu a obesere ya adwonso ho editing mo sante hene editing mu pro mass editing mu pro mass se wo se ana okotena so dem wo ana waye konkron ana osi na dwam ana wo kasa ana wo jimi ne ho na me se akwa jimi ana otekunyanum no adenden ana MPP fu ese onim na se onim na let me say no edi adia me ya no ana me na me ka na me ye na free mo pale into obeyi video ni mana so de manu so no de ya na se owie ya na so de mana bo musem pa ya de ajimi fo pa ya de ajimi fo mum akoko yi video kwase video we abatena se be ka kire yen se wo no ade a waye no ye mehwe na mi bi ka akoko yi ni video ayi no ne nsem na okeke kan no me ba umpa mo che mo fa ncheme ana se me ni kan enye mame ni kan enyi kwase ampani ni mi wi pe na me de na soso if you say nsem ne do so pa na the way akwa we agimi no ye betre ne say yes so wo so agimi a ye betre wo say agimi sin atimi ahwe nyamie no makotena so dem akoye nkwase a editing we abetena se ka kire ne say me ba mame nko ewo ha editing no ha
Police officers who had been sent on official assignment to church. And so I was asking myself, why? What have I done? So if you recall, of Ghana. Now, for all these people who the former president, candidate of the New Patriotic Party, to become president of Ghana because of the insults. Now, you know what has happened? Vice President, I have friends who are also very good friends of the former vice president. I am using this opportunity, this platform, as an opportunity to say something for those friends to hear me clearly. And yes, sir. Also, we are too low. aden how me ko kan mo say aden tro super
oh ni video editing of a coffee champon wow oh hwe me afa editing video no akoka me phone na me dey TikTok no so ay
mo ko dwunu nyina mo say de mo ne me ye na nye because video me kan ko acha ma de amode ye me ne de ya me ni pa ni me mom de me pompa ye tia sa ayi sa administration is me pompa ye tia o mo sa me mamra na sa be me sa di me ma me kasenti am obi free na ekro
aha
so ma se mo yi
aha o se o me kasenti am bibibium aha na yi no wono